Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the principle of Fayol's. The principle is subordination of individual interest to general interest. Till now, we have discussed about the five principle of the Fayol. It is sixth principle of the Fayol. What does it states? According to this principle, the interest of organization must supersede the interest of individual of or employees. In the organization, all the employees are working with some objective, and there is always an objective of organization. If the objective of individual are in the same direction of the organization, then there is no problem. But if the objective of both the groups are different direction, then manager must try to reconcile individual interest with organizational goals. And if it is not possible, then individual goal must be sacrificed for achieving organizational goal. Okay, what Fayol is saying, that organization has its own goal and person as individual or employee has its their own goals, but the direction of the both of the means employees and organizational goal of the both have in the same direction, then only organization can achieve success. If there will be a conflict in the goal or objective of the organization and employee, then it will be difficult to survive. So a manager must try to maintain coordination between the two. Okay, and if the manager is not able to maintain the coordination between the two, then individual goal must be sacrificed to maintain the organizational goal. Clear, beta? This is the aim of this principle, subordination of individual interest to general interest. What are the positive effect of this principle? Achievement of organizational goal. Okay, if we are following this principle, then we can achieve the organizational goal. And if we are following this principle, then there will be a coordination between individual and organizational goal. Now, consequences of violation of this principle is no achievement of organizational goal. If there will be conflict between the individual and organizational goal, then goal of the organizational will not be achieved, and even employee will also suffer in long run. Clear? Next principle is principle of remuneration of person. Okay, what does it mean? According to this principle, employee in the organization must be paid fairly or adequately to give them maximum satisfaction. The remuneration must be just and fair, because if employees are underpaid, they will not be satisfied, and an unsatisfied person can never contribute his maximum. Okay, dissatisfaction will lead to increase in employees turnover. So to have stability in the organization and to get maximum effort from the employee must be paid fairly. Yes, it is very simple concept. If your employee is satisfied, then only he will be able to work or he will contribute his maximum. Otherwise, if he is not satisfied, then he will not contribute to his 100%, or he will not work with 100% efficiency. Okay, because ultimately employee is working for his salary. Okay, and if he is not satisfied with his salary, he will not work properly. What are the positive effect of this principle? Employee gets motivated. Obviously, if you are paying them good salary, then he will be motivated. And second one is devotion and commitment of employee improves. Okay, what are the consequences of violating these principles? Then increase in turnover of employees. Turnover means leaving of the employee. Okay, your old employee is leaving the organization and new employees entering in the organization. This is known as turnover. So increase turnover is not good. Then dissatisfaction and demotivation of employee. Obviously, we have just discussed that if employee is not getting good salary, he will be demotivated. Okay. So, bachcho, these were the principle of Fayol. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Next principles we will continue in next class. Okay. Thank you so much.